Looking to elevate your chess game with cutting-edge technology? Welcome to our list of the top 5 best electronic chessboards. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or an advanced player sharpening your strategy, these high-tech boards have something for everyone. Stick around as we break down the pros and cons of each, so you can make the best choice. At number 5, we have the Lexibook Chessman Elite Electronic Chessboard. The Lexibook Chessman Elite Electronic Chessboard is a versatile and educational chess set designed for players of all skill levels. With its 64 difficulty levels and LO1800 rating system, it offers a challenging experience for beginners and advanced players alike. The built-in training mode and LED indicators enhance learning and gameplay, making it a solid option for chess enthusiasts. We explore the pros and cons. Pros. Varied difficulty levels. With 64 difficulty levels divided into 4 different play games, the board accommodates players of all skill levels, from beginners to more experienced competitors. LO1800 rating system provides a challenging experience, simulating a strong chess opponent for players looking to improve their skills. Training mode. The board offers feedback on moves, allowing players to retry and make better decisions, enhancing learning and strategy. LED move indicators. The 16 LED indicators make it easy to follow the game by showing moves both horizontally and vertically. Multiple game modes. Players can choose to compete against the computer or use the MULTIMOVE level to act as a referee in a match between two human players. Built-in chess rules and features. The board recognizes advanced chess rules such as the 50-move rule, pawn promotion, on-pass and capture, and repetition draws. Take-back and hint functions. Players can undo up to 2 moves and receive hints, making the experience more interactive and strategic. Portable and battery-powered. Runs on 3 AA batteries, making it easy to carry and play anywhere. Suitable for all ages. Recommended for players aged 7 and up, making it a great educational tool for younger players. Cons. Limited take-back moves. While the take-back feature is helpful, it only allows reversing 2 moves, which may be restrictive for beginners. The Lexibook Chessman Elite Electronic Chessboard is a well-rounded and feature-packed chess set for players seeking a progressive challenge. Its training mode, built-in chess rules, and multiple difficulty levels make it an excellent choice for beginners and intermediate players looking to sharpen their skills. Next up, at number 4, we have the Leafitoys LS916 Electronic Chessboard. The Leafitoys LS916 Electronic Chessboard is a modern, feature-rich chess set designed to cater to players of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced enthusiasts. With its advanced technology and user-friendly design, it offers a unique blend of traditional chess gameplay and modern electronic enhancements. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. We explore the pros and cons of the Leafitoys LS916 Electronic Chessboard. Pros. Powerful chess engine. The LS916 is equipped with a 32-bit RISC MCU and a 240 MHz running frequency, ensuring fast response times and smooth gameplay. With an ELO rating of 2000, the built-in chess engine is strong enough to challenge even advanced players, making it a great tool for improving your skills. Versatile gameplay options. Whether you want to play against the computer, AI, or challenge a friend, the LS916 offers flexibility. It supports both solo and 2-player modes, catering to different preferences and scenarios. High-sensitivity smart chessboard. The board features a high-sensitive LCD display with large digits, making it easy to see and input moves. The magnetic chess pieces ensure stability during gameplay, and the touch-sensitive squares allow for effortless move input with just a light touch. Multiple difficulty levels. With 32 difficulty settings, the LS916 is suitable for players of all levels. Beginners can start with easier levels, while advanced players can push their limits with higher challenges. The hint feature also provides move suggestions, which can be helpful for learning and strategy development. Voice teaching system. When the tutor mode is enabled, the board provides voice warnings for mistakes, weak moves, and threats, making it an excellent learning tool. It also announces legal and illegal moves, helping players understand the rules and improve their gameplay. Learning and practice features. The LS916 includes 128 preset puzzles, 99 famous games for replay, and 5 mini chess games designed to help novices learn the movements of each piece. These features make it a great educational tool for beginners and intermediate players. Cons. Voice announcements may lack nuance. The voice announcements for legal, illegal moves and piece coordinates are helpful, but they might lack the depth and nuance that some players desire. For example, the voice system may not provide detailed explanations for why a move is weak or illegal. The Leafitoys LS916 electronic chessboard is a versatile and powerful tool for chess enthusiasts of all levels. Its advanced chess engine, high-sensitivity board, and extensive learning features make it an excellent choice for both casual players and serious learners. Taking the third spot is the Femuey L6 electronic chessboard. The Femuey L6 electronic chessboard is a high-end chess computer designed to cater to players of all skill levels. With its innovative technology, rich level settings, and unique playing experience, this device aims to be the perfect chess companion. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced player, the Femuey L6 offers features to improve your game and keep you engaged. But does it live up to expectations? Let's explore its pros and cons. Pros: adaptive difficulty and training features. One of the standout features of the Femuey L6 is its ability to adapt to your playing level. With 22 levels of play and 1,000 teaching exercises, it provides a gradual learning curve for beginners while still offering a challenge to experienced players. The unique score system tracks your progress and evaluates each move, making it an excellent training tool. Realistic playing experience. Unlike many electronic chessboards that rely heavily on screen interactions, the Femuey L6 uses a sensor board with LED indicators for moves. This allows players to focus on the board and pieces, replicating the feel of playing against a human opponent. Eye-friendly e-paper display. The inclusion of an e-paper display enhances the overall user experience. It provides clear game notations, position evaluations, and hints without causing eye strain. The screen is easy to read from various angles and lighting conditions, making long gaming sessions more comfortable. Portability and design. Designed as a lightweight and modern chessboard, the Femuey L6 is easy to carry, making it a great travel companion. The designer chess pieces add to the premium feel, ensuring a pleasant playing experience wherever you go. Strong AI and high-level play. With a playing strength of over 2300 ELO, the Femuey L6 can challenge even advanced players. It offers 3 playing modes: training, match, and human, giving users the flexibility to either practice against the AI or play against a friend while still utilizing the board's analytical features. Cons: limited mode switching. Once a game is started, the mode cannot be changed mid-game. If you want to switch between training, match, or human mode, you must start a new game, which may be inconvenient for players who want to adjust their learning approach during gameplay. The Femuey L6 electronic chessboard is an impressive device that blends technology with a realistic chess playing experience. Its adaptive difficulty, LED-guided moves, and e-paper display make it a solid choice for chess lovers looking to refine their skills. Coming in at number 2 is the Vonset P6 electronic chessboard. The Vonset P6 electronic chessboard is an innovative device designed to make chess more engaging and accessible for players of all levels. Whether you are a beginner looking to learn the basics, an intermediate player aiming to refine your skills, or someone who simply enjoys a casual game with friends or family, this chessboard offers something for everyone. With built-in AI, multiple play modes, and strong magnetic chess pieces, it promises both convenience and enjoyment. However, like any product, it comes with its own set of pros and cons. Pros: AI-powered training. The P6 comes equipped with intelligent algorithms featuring 18 levels of difficulty. This allows users to progressively challenge themselves and improve their skills over time. The AI opponent is a great feature for solo practice sessions. Multiple game modes. With 3 distinct modes: training, match, and human, the P6 caters to different playing needs. The training mode is perfect for beginners, the match mode enhances skill levels, and the human mode allows 2 players to compete against each other. Built-in chess puzzles. The device includes 200 chess puzzles, designed to sharpen strategic thinking. Players can use the training mode's hints and voice guidance to improve their moves and tactics. Strong magnetic chess pieces. One of the standout features is the strong magnetic adsorption, which keeps the chess pieces firmly in place. This ensures a smooth playing experience, even when traveling or playing in unstable conditions. Ideal for families and learning. Chess is known to enhance cognitive skills, making the P6 a great educational tool for children. It's also an excellent choice for family game nights, helping kids and adults engage in a fun and intellectual activity together. Cons: limited ELO range. While the AI provides different difficulty levels, it supports only up to 17 ELO. Advanced players might find the challenge insufficient beyond a certain point. The Vonset P6 electronic chessboard is a fantastic choice for those looking to improve their chess skills while enjoying a well-designed, user-friendly device. With its AI-powered training, multiple play modes, and strong magnetic pieces, it is ideal for both beginners and intermediate players. And finally, our top pick, the Chessnut CA100 electronic chessboard. The Chessnut CA100 electronic chessboard is an advanced chess set that caters to both casual and serious players. With full-piece recognition, AI-assisted training, and seamless online gameplay, it offers a modern take on the classic board game. But is it worth the investment? Here's a look at the pros and cons of this high-tech chess set. Pros. Full-piece recognition for seamless play. The Chessnut CA100 comes with full-piece recognition, allowing for accurate positioning and analysis. This feature is particularly useful for Chess 960 and post-game reviews, making it ideal for players who want to improve their strategies. Online play with global connectivity. The board integrates with chess.com and Lichess, giving users access to over 45 million players worldwide. Whether you want to challenge a friend or test your skills against top players, the seamless connectivity ensures a smooth online gaming experience. AI-assisted training with 20 difficulty levels. This chessboard is equipped with AI technology that adapts to your skill level. With 20 intensity levels, both beginners and seasoned players can find an appropriate challenge. Additionally, users can analyze past games and participate in weekly puzzles and leagues to enhance their skills. Compatible with multiple chess programs. The board works with third-party chess applications like White Pawn, Chess Dojo, Chess for Android, Arena, Lucas Chess, Shredder, Fritz, and Chessbase. This versatility allows players to customize their experience and integrate their preferred software for training and analysis. Elegant and portable design. With its wooden design and embedded LED lights, the Chessnut CA100 has a premium aesthetic. It also comes with 34 sensor-equipped plastic pieces, a USB-C charging cable, and a quick start guide, making it easy to set up and use anywhere. Cons. Limited battery life. Since the board relies on electronic components, it requires regular charging. While it uses a USB-C connection for convenience, players who prefer long, uninterrupted matches may find the battery life somewhat restrictive. The Chessnut CA100 electronic chessboard is a fantastic tool for chess enthusiasts who want to improve their game, play online, and analyze past matches with ease. The combination of AI-assisted training, full-piece recognition, and seamless online play makes it an attractive option.